Why do you need a career coach? Early decision-making is crucial for everyone to embark on the appropriate career path. For every graduate, choosing their future aspirations is very important during the college year. Most graduates at this age aren't sure if they should follow their interests or take advice from others. Not only can selecting the appropriate career coach or mentor help the graduates identify their goals, but it will also improve their thinking and give them the confidence they need to accomplish it. Hi everyone, I am Sandeepan De, career coach and author of career management books. How to get job after college and mastering the art of the interview. These are the top reasons you need a career coach if you are one of those people who is unsure about your profession choice. Determine your skills. A career coach can assist you in determining the abilities you need to have a successful career. Every young graduate has some interests and abilities, but they are hesitant to pursue them as a career since they are unsure of their future. A career coach or mentor can assist you in discovering your true area of interest in the workplace and provide you with industry knowledge. He will walk you through the many career options on the market and help you reach your objective. Find your goal. They will assist you in identifying your career goal after determining your area of interest in a career. Yes, he or she will assist you in identifying your professional goal regardless of the stream, college, or profession you choose. To put it another way, a career coach will assist you in creating and executing a successful professional path. Construct confidence while identifying your worth. A career coach will assist you in both defining your value and discovering your hobbies. You may have different career interests than others, and you may not know where to begin pursuing those interests. A career coach may assist you in discovering your worth and enlightening you on the benefits of pursuing a job in your area of interest. Choose your professional interest with knowledge, in addition to helping you understand how your career is evolving and what measures are necessary to reach your goals. A career coach will answer all of your questions about careers. Decide what you want to achieve and create a plan to get there. Setting a goal for your career with the assistance of a career coach will simplify your career path. For any young person to advance in their job choice, goal setting is crucial. A career coach can assist a person in determining their direction and helping them develop goals to reach them. Students will receive a comprehensive career roadmap, including information on the track, college, and profession to pursue in India or outside, as previously noted. Learn ideas and enduring skills from the professionals in the field. You will acquire the knowledge and tools necessary to identify your professional objective through career counseling sessions. Additionally, a graduate will acquire professional abilities that will enable him or her to advance in their work for a long time. I believe these arguments are sufficient to convince you of the value of a career coach following graduation. You had better choose wisely when it comes to your profession if you don't want to look back and regret it. Enroll in Success Unacademy, the top career counseling service provider, which also provides online job exploration tools, an online career evaluation, and much more. Choose a career where you will be happy and have no regrets instead of following the herd. I am hoping for the best for you while you search for your ideal employment. We appreciate your time. Thanks you for viewing. And never forget to take action if you want to change your future. If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable in teaching you about your career, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to click the like button. Thanks again for watching.